Top 10 Best Fire Starters in 2026. Hey outdoor enthusiasts, welcome back to your channel name, Evergreen Tree Fire. Today, we're counting down the top 10 best fire starters in 2026, perfect for camping, hiking, survival, or emergency preparedness. So stay tuned as we go from number 10 all the way to number 1 and find out which fire starter deserves a spot in your survival kit. Don't forget to like, thumbs up, subscribe bell, and comment below which fire starter you would carry on your next adventure. Number 10. Swiss Safe 5-in-1 Fire Starter. The reliable and versatile option for campers, hikers, and survival enthusiasts in 2026. Designed to combine convenience with durability, this compact tool features a magnesium fire starter, emergency whistle, compass, thermometer, and LED light, making it a multi-purpose companion for outdoor adventures. The magnesium fire starter produces a consistent spark even in wet or windy conditions, ensuring you can start a fire quickly for cooking, warmth, or signaling. Its durable construction allows it to withstand drops and rough handling, making it suitable for backpacking and emergency kits. The Striker is designed to create sparks easily with minimal effort, which is crucial for survival scenarios where efficiency is key. With its compact design, the Swiss Safe 5-in-1 fire starter fits easily in pockets or backpack compartments, allowing it to be carried without adding bulk. Users praise its reliability, noting that it consistently works in challenging weather conditions, which is vital for outdoor activities. Whether you're camping in the woods, hiking a mountain trail, or preparing for emergency situations, number 10, the Swiss Safe 5-in-1 Fire Starter, is an excellent tool for starting fires quickly and safely. Its additional features like the compass and whistle add practical value, making it more than just a fire-starting tool. For anyone looking for a budget-friendly, multifunctional fire starter in 2026, this Swiss Safe model is an ideal choice, providing both safety and convenience for outdoor enthusiasts. Number 9. UST Blast Match Fire Starter. The most reliable fire-starting tools for survivalists and outdoor adventurers in 2026. It features waterproof match heads stored in a protective container, allowing you to strike and ignite a flame even in wet conditions, which is crucial for camping, hiking, or emergency preparedness. Each match burns for several seconds, providing enough time to ignite tinder and get a stable fire going. The UST Blast Match Fire Starter is lightweight, compact, and designed to fit easily into backpacks, survival kits, or pocket organizers. Its durable construction ensures it can survive rough handling, making it perfect for field use. Many users appreciate the simplicity of the system, as it requires no batteries or complicated mechanisms. Just strike, and the match ignites reliably. Additionally, it comes with a convenient striker attached to the container, eliminating the need for extra tools. Number 9. The UST Blast Match Fire Starter is particularly popular among beginners and experienced outdoorsmen alike, offering confidence in fire starting even under adverse conditions. Its portability, reliability, and waterproof design make it an essential part of any survival kit, ensuring that campers, hikers, and emergency responders can always create fire quickly for warmth, cooking, and safety in the wilderness. Number 8. Exotac NanoStriker XL. The high-end, ultra-durable fire starter designed for adventurers who prioritize performance and longevity. Made from tungsten carbide, it produces strong sparks capable of igniting any tinder quickly, even in extreme weather conditions such as rain, snow, or high humidity. Its compact size makes it easy to carry in pockets or attach to survival kits without adding bulk, while the rugged construction ensures it withstands heavy use over time. The NanoStriker XL comes with a high-quality ferrocerium rod, capable of thousands of strikes, ensuring it will last for years without replacement. Outdoor enthusiasts praise its ability to start fires efficiently, even when conditions are challenging, such as damp kindling or windy environments. It also features a lanyard hole for convenient attachment to gear or keychains, making it highly portable for bushcraft, hiking, or camping trips. Number 8. The Exotac NanoStriker XL is ideal for serious survivalists who need a reliable, durable, and efficient fire-starting tool that can perform under any conditions. It is particularly useful for extended outdoor expeditions where consistent performance is critical. Its combination of compactness, durability, and sparking power makes it a top contender among advanced fire starters in 2026. Whether you're an experienced camper, survivalist, or just want a dependable emergency fire starter, the NanoStriker XL offers peace of mind and high performance in a compact package. Number 7. Light My Fire Swedish FireSteel 2.0. The widely recognized as one of the most reliable and durable fire starters available in 2026, trusted by campers, survivalists, and bushcraft enthusiasts worldwide. Made from high-quality ferrocerium, it is capable of producing thousands of sparks over its lifetime, making it a long-lasting and dependable choice for outdoor adventures. One of the standout features of the FireSteel 2.0 is its ability to generate strong, consistent sparks in nearly any condition, including heavy rain, snow, or high winds, which is crucial for emergency situations or unpredictable weather. Its ergonomic and lightweight design makes it easy to carry in a pocket, backpack, or survival kit, and it comes with a built-in striker for ease of use, allowing anyone, from beginners to experienced outdoorsmen, to start a fire with minimal effort. The FireSteel 2.0 can ignite a wide variety of tinder, including dry grass, wood shavings, cotton, or commercial tinder products, which makes it versatile in different environments. It also features a lanyard hole, so it can be attached to a belt, backpack, or gear, ensuring it is always within reach when needed. Many users appreciate its simplicity and effectiveness. Unlike matches or lighters, it does not rely on fuel or fragile components, which can fail in wet or harsh conditions. Number 7. The Light My Fire Swedish FireSteel 2.0 is therefore an essential tool for anyone who wants a dependable, long-lasting fire starter for camping trips, survival kits, or emergency preparedness. Its combination of durability, portability, and high performance makes it a top choice in 2026 for those seeking a reliable fire-starting solution in any environment, whether for outdoor recreation or life-saving emergency situations. Number 6. Gerber Bear Grylls Fire Starter. The number 6 Gerber Bear Grylls Fire Starter is designed for outdoor adventurers and survival enthusiasts who need a highly reliable, multifunctional tool in 2026. Developed in collaboration with renowned survival expert Bear Grylls, this fire starter features a robust ferrocerium rod that produces intense sparks, even in wet, windy, or cold conditions, ensuring that users can ignite fires reliably in any environment. The kit also includes a magnesium block and a striker, allowing for efficient fire starting with minimal effort. Its ergonomic design makes it comfortable to hold during use, while its compact size allows it to fit easily into survival kits, backpacks, or even a pocket. Beyond fire starting, the Gerber Bear Grylls Fire Starter includes a whistle for signaling in emergency situations and a lanyard for secure attachment to gear, which makes it a versatile and essential tool for survival scenarios. Outdoor enthusiasts particularly value its durability and consistent performance under extreme conditions. It can ignite a variety of tinder types, including natural materials like dry grass, wood shavings, or cotton, as well as manufactured tinder products, making it adaptable for different environments. Number 6. The Gerber Bear Grylls Fire Starter combines portability, durability, and multifunctionality in one compact device, making it ideal for camping, hiking, bushcraft, or emergency preparedness. Its design allows beginners and experienced users alike to create fires safely and efficiently, which is crucial for warmth, cooking, and signaling in survival situations. With its trusted reliability, this fire starter stands out in 2026 as a must-have tool for anyone serious about outdoor safety and preparedness. Number 5. Exotac NanoStriker XL. The number 5 Exotac NanoStriker XL is a premium fire starter built for survivalists, outdoor enthusiasts, and adventurers who demand the ultimate reliability in 2026. Constructed with a tungsten carbide striker and a high-quality ferrocerium rod, it produces exceptionally strong sparks that can ignite tinder even in the most challenging conditions, including rain, snow, or high humidity. Designed for durability, the NanoStriker XL can withstand rough handling, drops, and prolonged use, making it a long-term investment for those who spend a lot of time in the wilderness. Its compact and lightweight design makes it portable, allowing it to fit comfortably in pockets, backpacks, or attached to gear via a lanyard hole. Outdoor experts praise its ability to strike thousands of sparks without degrading, ensuring that users always have a reliable method to start a fire, whether for cooking, warmth, or emergency signaling. The tool also includes a built-in striker that is easy to use, even for beginners, making it accessible for anyone seeking a reliable fire-starting solution. Number 5. The Exotac NanoStriker XL combines superior sparking power, durability, and portability, making it ideal for survival situations, extended camping trips, or emergency kits. Its performance in extreme conditions and long lifespan make it one of the most trusted fire starters in 2026 for serious outdoor enthusiasts who need a dependable, high-quality tool that delivers results every time. Number 4. UST Blast Match Fire Starter. The number 4 UST Blast Match Fire Starter is designed for campers, hikers, and survivalists who require a waterproof, easy-to-use, and reliable fire-starting solution in 2026. Featuring waterproof match heads stored in a durable container, it allows users to ignite a flame even in wet conditions, which is a common challenge for outdoor enthusiasts. Each match burns for several seconds, providing ample time to light tinder and get a stable fire going. The container comes with a built-in striker, eliminating the need for additional tools and making it extremely convenient for quick use in the wilderness. Its compact and lightweight design allows it to fit into backpacks, survival kits, or even pockets without adding bulk, making it perfect for on-the-go adventures. Users praise the UST Blast Match Fire Starter for its simplicity, reliability, and consistent performance, particularly in emergency situations where a dependable fire starter is essential. Number 4. The UST Blast Match Fire Starter is ideal for beginners and experienced outdoor enthusiasts alike, offering a straightforward solution for starting fires in virtually any environment. Its durability, waterproof design, and ease of use make it a must-have for anyone seeking a dependable fire starter for camping, hiking, or survival preparedness in 2026. Number 3. Swiss Safe 5 in 1 Fire Starter. The number 3 Swiss Safe 5 in 1 Fire Starter is a versatile and budget-friendly tool that combines multiple survival features into one compact device, making it a top choice for 2026. This fire starter includes a magnesium rod for spark generation, a whistle for signaling, a compass for navigation, a thermometer for monitoring temperature, and an LED light for visibility in low-light conditions. Its magnesium rod produces strong sparks capable of igniting tinder in wet or windy conditions, ensuring reliable fire starting in a variety of outdoor environments. The striker is designed to create sparks efficiently with minimal effort, which is crucial in emergency scenarios where time and safety are critical. Its compact design allows it to be easily stored in pockets, backpacks, or survival kits without adding unnecessary bulk. Number 3. The Swiss Safe 5 in 1 Fire Starter is praised for its multifunctionality, portability, and reliability, making it suitable for hikers, campers, and survival enthusiasts. The additional features like the compass, whistle, and LED light enhance its practicality for everyday outdoor use. This fire starter provides peace of mind for anyone who wants a dependable tool for lighting fires, signaling for help, or navigating in the wilderness, making it an essential component of survival gear in 2026. Number 2. Stormproof Ferrocerium Fire Starter by Light My Fire. The number 2 Stormproof Ferrocerium Fire Starter by Light My Fire is one of the most reliable and durable fire-starting tools in 2026, designed specifically for serious outdoor enthusiasts, survivalists, and emergency preppers. This advanced fire starter is built with high-quality ferrocerium that produces strong, consistent sparks even under extreme weather conditions, including heavy rain, snow, or high winds, ensuring that you can start a fire anytime, anywhere. Its compact and lightweight design allows it to fit easily into backpacks, survival kits, or even pockets, making it highly portable for hiking, camping, or emergency use. The included striker is engineered to generate sparks efficiently with minimal effort, allowing even beginners to light a fire quickly. Many users praise its ability to ignite a wide variety of tinder types, including natural materials like dry grass, wood shavings, and cotton, as well as manufactured tinder products, which makes it versatile for multiple environments. The stormproof ferrocerium fire starter is also built to last thousands of strikes over its lifetime, offering long-term reliability without the need for replacements. Number 2. The stormproof ferrocerium fire starter is particularly valued for its durability and performance in survival situations where dependable fire starting can mean the difference between safety and danger. Its ergonomic design allows for secure handling even when wet, and it comes with a lanyard hole so it can be easily attached to gear, belts, or backpacks for quick access. Whether you are deep in the wilderness, camping in unpredictable weather, or preparing an emergency kit for natural disasters, this fire starter provides peace of mind and unmatched reliability. In 2026, it stands out as a professional-grade tool for anyone who wants a compact, durable, and high-performance fire starter that works in any condition. Number 1. Exotac Fire Rod Extreme Survival Fire Starter. The number 1 Exotac Fire Rod Extreme Survival Fire Starter is the ultimate fire starting tool for 2026, offering unmatched performance, durability, and reliability for survivalists, adventurers, and outdoor enthusiasts. Crafted from ultra-durable ferrocerium, the fire rod produces exceptionally strong sparks capable of igniting tinder even in the harshest conditions, such as rain, snow, or strong winds, making it indispensable for emergency situations and challenging wilderness environments. Its design emphasizes portability and practicality. It is lightweight, compact, and easily fits into survival kits, backpacks, or pockets without adding unnecessary bulk. The included tungsten carbide striker ensures a consistent spark with every strike, while the ferro rod is capable of thousands of ignitions over its lifetime, providing long-term value and reliability. Number 1. The Exotac Fire Rod Extreme Survival Fire Starter also features a rugged, ergonomic design that ensures secure handling, even when wearing gloves or in wet conditions. Outdoor experts praise it for its performance in extreme survival scenarios where dependable fire starting is critical for warmth, cooking, and signaling. Its versatility allows users to ignite a wide range of tinder materials, from natural resources like wood shavings and dry grass to commercial fire-starting products. This fire starter is perfect for long expeditions, survival training, or emergency preparedness kits, offering peace of mind that a fire can always be started when needed. In addition, its durable construction and precision engineering make it one of the most reliable and professional-grade tools available in 2026. For anyone serious about survival, bushcraft, or outdoor adventures, the Exotac Fire Rod Extreme Survival Fire Starter is a must-have, representing the pinnacle of fire-starting technology, durability, and convenience, earning it the top spot as number 1 among the best fire starters in 2026. And that's our countdown of the top 10 best fire starters in 2026 fire. From the reliable Swiss Safe 5-in-1 at number 10 to the ultimate Exotac Fire Rod Extreme Survival Fire Starter at number 1. These tools are essential for camping, hiking, bushcraft, and emergency preparedness. Which one is your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more outdoor gear reviews, survival tips, and adventure guides. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video with more must-have survival tools for 2026.